Today we're going to be giving the girls an eyebrow tutorial using Urban Decay. First of all, this box is so cute. It feels so soft and it's purple, which is my favorite color, clearly. Comes with this brow blade, which comes with the eyebrow pencil and then also the liquid liner for your brows. This is a liquid liner. I'm just gonna swatch it so y'all can see. It's very thin, which is perfect because it allows you to get those hair-like strokes. And then this is a pencil. You have to scroll it up. This is how it comes out. I prefer to use the liquid liner. It allows your brows to last longer and it doesn't smear or anything. I could go like this with my brows and nothing will happen. That's what we're gonna be using today. Pencil could smear off. The liner, it's not moving. You see that? So this is a tinted brow gel. You apply it on your brows and then let it sit for about 5 seconds and then just get your fingers or the back of the brush and just press it down just so it could really stick to your skin. Make sure that there's no oils there. Press it into your hair, brushing your eyebrows up, whatever shape you desire. If you want your brows to be thick, then do that. If you want your brows to be thin, then you can shape it that way as well. Press it down. I like to use my fingers a lot. Then I go in with a setting powder just to ensure that it's dry and not too tacky. I like to start at my tail and just shape the brow that I desire. If you mess up, that's okay because it's gonna end up getting cleaned up. I work my way to the front. So you see how I'm doing the hair-like strokes? Just one stroke at a time. And I'm not pressing down on this pen, so you have to make sure that you keep your hands light. I want it to look natural, not too dark. One brow done. Ooh, one more to go. Both of my brows done. And then I use a flat brush or sometimes I use a Q-tip just to clean it up. And I have alcohol on here. So you can use alcohol or you can use micellar water. Alcohol also helps clean up whatever excess gel that you got outside of your brows, so it doesn't interfere whenever you put on your concealer. I'm using the Ruby Kisses Concealer Natural Buff. Start from the mid brows all the way to the tail. You want to be careful. So take your time. Just gonna go ahead and spread this concealer throughout my eyelid to prep for the eyeshadow. And then I'm gonna do the other side. I don't go all the way across just because whenever I blend it, it naturally spreads that way. Get a fluffy, dense, small brush like so. Blend out my concealer. Now spread it towards the front of my brows as I'm blending. Just dab it. Gives you more control. I like to spread my concealer to my temples. Make sure you blend out any creases. Set the concealer in place so that it's not moving around. I like to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus powder. And there we have it. Perfect, flawless brows. I definitely recommend these. Like, look at the state of me. Ooh, I can't wait till I finish doing my makeup. This is gonna be bon appetit. This is the final brow look. As you can see, isn't the brows giving? They are giving everything that it needs to give, honey. And they don't move. They don't move, y'all. They are up and stuck, okay? Listen, this Urban Decay is the truth. I really hope that y'all found this video to be helpful. I try my best to make it short. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you saw it through the end, you're a real one. And if you want a more thorough video, let me know. If you want to see me do a makeup tutorial on something else, let me know in the comments below.
You know we better turn it up. Better call my girl like right now. She better pull up to the spot with the crew. Long hair, diamonds.